Okay, we have the image that is in our local project. So far, so good. And what about if we're just gonna go on top of the image again? Let's use heading 3, and let's say image of Udemy logo, something like this. Again, we can write whatever we would like to. Now we have the heading 3, we have the image. What about the images that we can directly access from the web? Okay, let's think about it. So we have the image. Image has the attribute of the source, and source points somewhere. Meaning, in our case, that would be to the same directory where we're working in. Can we maybe use this source and point it to the image that is actually somewhere on the web? Well, let's test it out. First of all, let's have the heading 3 that would say image of YouTube logo. Again, we can name this however we would like. And now you can see that I have heading 3 and heading 3. And between them, I have here this image. Okay, let's test it out. So first of all, again, I'm going to open up the new browser window. Again, I'm going to maximize this. And let's write YouTube, not .com, logo. Then let's specifically say that we're looking for the image. And in this case, what we would like to do, instead of using save as that we did before, remember we used save image as, now we can have an option of copy image address. So let's click on this. Now the address is going to be copied to our clipboard, and we can head over back to our HTML. We can again create a new image element. And in this case, within the source, let's copy and paste whatever we're getting back from our clipboard. Now, the annoying thing is going to be this, that obviously this path is so long. So again, I'll tell you right away, this is going to be very annoying whenever you're going to be getting something like this from the web. So unfortunately, this is how it is, but we can write over here that maybe for alternative YouTube logo, something like this. Again, we just want to quickly see it and that's it. And sure enough, everything works fine. We have our image, but annoying part would be the fact that source would be displayed like this. So as you can see, it pretty much we would need to spend like 3 minutes just to scroll up and see all the source that is starting here at the very top.